tracking drones, inspecting aircraft, capturing precision. At Cranfield University's Centre for Assured and Connected Autonomy, Qualisys joined the team to deliver a proof of concept.
Today we're here at Cranfield University where we've been providing sub-millimetre accuracy data for their drones so they can make visual inspections of an aircraft.
A 6-camera Arqus A12 system was deployed around the hangar. Infrared motion capture delivered sub-millimetre accuracy, tracking the drone in 6 degrees of freedom.
Existing systems they've got can provide an accuracy to around 20 centimetres. And so this is a case of providing accurate ground truth data of where this drone is in this space.
This ground truth data enhances the drone's own sensors, giving researchers the confidence to validate inspections with unmatched precision and speed.
Qualisys loves this kind of motion capture scenario because it's a large capture volume and it's challenging.
From underwater robotics to biomechanics labs, from marine engineering to equine science, Qualisys technology goes far beyond aviation.
You have applications in life sciences where they're tracking to 90 very small markers on the chest of their participant to understand breathing function and breathing patterns. We have systems where we have tracked many insects being tracked by a single marker, up to 1,000. Many of our applications use very large capture volumes, tracking over a large distance, being able to provide information that can be used as part of the R&D process for engineering.
For Cranfield, this proof of concept has transformed drone inspections. What was once centimetre level estimation is now sub-millimetre certainty, a leap forward in safety, efficiency and innovation. Qualisys, precision in motion.